walk up here. You gotta. Cam goons in the cathedral.
Oh, what?
Cameron, do you goon in the cathedral?
Yo, can you stop gooning on my booty?
I think I'm here to talk to her.
I knew a kid who used to make like broken
Dude, I'm mad. I'm very claustrophobic right now, Cameron. You need to let me.
It's actually so like I would do this again, and we're not even done yet.
Is that the Facebook logo?
Stop making blood.
Cameron was definitely
Guys.
the lowest thing down in here.
Are you scared of Nicholas?
The lowest, like,
Okay. You want to slide down on your stomach. Put your hands down as low as you can. Guys! Quiet! You gotta listen. Put your hands down as low as possible on the rock. Slide on your belly down. And then I'll spot you. If you can put your foot on here, or press against this wall. That's good. You get footholds here and here. Okay? Put your hands down low on the rock. And slide down. Slide down. All the way so your arms are straight.
I turn around, I do this.
Arms still bent.
I know I'm so good.
Okay, another inch. There you go. Not too tough. Guys!
Alright, let's go!
Okay, we're gonna head down this way. And go, there's a room back in here that we're gonna go into, okay?
I wish.
A bit over there?
Yeah, keep your hands down low on the rock.
What is that?
Low on the rock. There. Now down
Oh, there's a
further.
rope here, Alan.
Yeah.
Can I use that?
Nope.
No?
Don't use anybody else's rope.
Oh, that's not right.
Nope. I don't know what position it's in. Put your hands down as low as possible.
Don't touch the rope, guys.
There we go. Okay, now turn around, slide down. Or else you can put your foot here. Your legs are long enough. You can put your foot there and step down onto the ground. Okay, guys, just don't go into any holes yet.
Guys, I found a hole.
There we go. You got it. Nice to have long legs.
Sorry.
Is it a far drop?
Okay, hold on to the rock. Slide down. You can put a foot over here. Put your hands down low so you can reach. Up here. Yeah, this way. Okay, now try to go down all the way. Very good. That was excellent. Did you see what she just did? It was very good. Get your foot under here.
cracked at this,
The air is like not airy.
There you go. Okay, now slide down. You can reach down right to there. Okay. Very good, guys. Reach down.
Izzy!
Foothold, foothold.
Izzy! I'm waiting, I'm here.
There you go. They want to tie your shoes up too.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
No,
Step
don't
down.
leave
You
me.
get your foot
Wait,
here.
wait. Stop. Don't hit too. Wait, this is so cool.
Slide down.
I'm loving it.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. You guys are doing good. Okay, slide down so you can get your foot over here.
Yo, what?
Hold on to the rock, like right about here. Okay. Now,
Alright!
slide down a little bit.
Shot it!
I'll tell you what, I'm going to stand here. Okay. Slide down a little bit. So can you put your foot here? Straighten your arm out. Straighten your arm out. No. Look at your arm. It's crooked. You want to hang. No. From here. There you go. See? Wasn't that easier? Okay. Now. This foot on my knee. Your legs are shorter. There you go. Awesome. There you go. Your legs are nice and long. Hold on. Right here. Right here. Put your hand here. Okay, you go stretch down all the way and put your foot over here.
Which foot?
Either, preferably your right foot. Keep stretching out. There you go. You're not going to fall and get hurt, okay? Because I'm underneath you. Now, yeah, that's it. Hold on to the edge of that. There you go. Perfect. Now step down into the ground. Very good. That's it. You got it. Not too tough, is it?
A bit confused, but...
That's okay. You're doing something you've never done before.
Yeah.
And it is kind of tough. Well, you do this enough,
Yeah.
and you get used to it.
I've been used to crawling down random spaces, but not this tight.
Yeah.
Whoa!
There you go. Long legs. That's easy. Makes it nice and easy for this maneuver here.
Yeah.
Very good. How many behind you?
Zero.
All right. Just step down under here. here, and then you can step on the floor.
No throwing rocks, guys.
Very good. Okay.
Cameron! Cameron, come.
Wow.
Who are you? No, I couldn't tell you.
He sits up there.
Yeah, but you
And
can't
he
trouble.
goes back from above me, jumps on him.
Yeah.
And then he
No, people are distracted by the cross, and then he jumps on them.
Yeah, and then he nibbles.
All right, guys. Let's.
Who dares disturb my son?
Alright, guys, everybody stop. Stop moving.
My breath.
Right now, I'm getting fought.
Yeah, bro. We found the Church of Cameron.
Oh, they're up there? Okay. That's fine.
How much shit are you
Yo,
doing?
I thought he was lying when
That doesn't go anywhere.
We keep going.
So we'll just wait till they come back.
No, but like actual lights.
That doesn't go anywhere.
The LEDs.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go down.
Neon lights would go crazy.
You'd have to find like a weird spot.
No, but like,
Yeah,
let's go through
there,
all of them. I was like,
and
the
there.
bathroom is
Back
like
there
down
would
there.
be
That's
pretty
about.
good.
Oh,
You could just sit on there.
yeah, we found Nutty Putty.
would not have a good
I found Nutty Putty.
Nutty Putty Cameron.
No. I can see in your face. It's just,
I'm proud she made it that far.
Oh, yeah.
Like, everyone's set up down there. We're not chili peppers or patrol.
Max,
What
how you doing?
Putty came
How are you doing?
Ooh, I'm fine.
You're fine?
Cameron,
Yeah,
find
it's
Nutty
better.
Putty. There's Nutty Putty down here.
all right, guys, listen up.
I thought it was gonna be smaller, so what's wrong? Yeah, I thought it was gonna be really tight.
What?
I don't know, she's kind of making jokes, so it's.
Cameron, stop farting.
Not the cave, man. There's no ventilation.
Alright. Guys, up there leads to nowhere, by the way.
We gotta go back down here.
Oh, man.
Wait, are we going back outside?
Now, let's listen up.
Alright, guys, listen up.
What the butt?
Listen up.
Okay.
Stop talking.
about it.
Excuse me.
Everybody listen up and stop talking.
No, watch out, there's Nutty Putty behind you.
Okay.
I said stop talking.
My bad.
I said stop talking. Quiet coyotes. We'll wait.
Wait,
Don't do that to them,
Quiet
Kevin.
coyotes. Quiet. Okay.
All right. We're gonna go down to the next level, okay? There's two ways to do it. There's this way here, which is a little bit on the tight side,
Yes.
and it's not that tight. I fit. So if I fit, any of you guys fit. Okay, and the other is there's a climb down in this hole here. It is kind of sketchy. I have to spot you going down. They both meet up right below here.
I think we want to do that one.
Alright, which way do you guys want to go?
That one.
Alright, guys, everybody quiet. Raise your hand if you want to go the tight way. Raise your hand if you want to go the climb down sketchy way.
Nutty Putty.
Climb down sketchy.
Alright, the tight way won.
Yeah, we can split. We'll be together down there. We'll be together down there.
Alright, we can split. So if
Here,
you want to
you
go
have
to
to
the
wait
one
for
way,
him to go first.
Let's go down. Those who are going to go down, please do not go near the hole, okay? Remember what I said about near the edge. You want to stay a body length away. This is the hole for getting down there. The first person down there lights up the room down there, okay?
You have to squeeze through that little hole.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Guys, it's a piece
Okay,
of
hold on,
title.
hold up.
Alan, what is this?
Let me get over here. See, these guys keep talking.
Alan, what is this?
Yeah, he made a wrong turn.
Trash.
Alan, can I go first?
Do those, if they're going that way, do they need to wait up for you to
Yeah,
stop
then
them?
you, guys,
Guys! Do not go down yet. You need Alan down there to spot you.
Actually, might go the tight way.
Do you go head first?
okay, hold up.
Hold on.
You guys aren't listening.
Guys, you need to listen, or we're gonna have problems that are dangerous.
Okay.
Like I said before, this cave tends to be a little bit more dangerous than others, which is, I just want you to be aware of that, okay? But it also can be fun. Here we go. Video. No, the other way. Nope. Hit the wrong button. My fingers are too big for this.
How are we supposed
There we go. Okay, now this The first person
move.
down.
Can I go first? Nah.
Wait a minute. Let me finish talking, okay? Please don't interrupt and wait till I'm done talking till you get all the instructions. Going down in here, the first person down in is going to light up down there for the rest of the people.
Okay.
So the first person down there is going to go in pitch black. Okay?
Oh, I don't think you want to do that, Nicholas. That sounds
This one I would go in. You can go in either head first or feet first.
I want to
But
go
you,
head first.
shh, you're talking. But you want to go head first that direction. We're pointing that direction, and you're going to go down, and you're going to be underneath this rock here that these guys are standing on. Okay?
Head first?
Yes. Because going feet first, you can't see where you're going.
Do you want me to go
So
first, Nicholas?
if you look at this hole, okay? Can you see this crack here? It's not even all the way around. Okay, part of it is wider than the other part. Can you tell? So you want the widest part to be your head. And when you do it, you have to be lying flat.
Can I like put my legs in behind?
You can put your legs in and go back, put your legs in back, or however you want to try to do it. It's okay. You smaller guys are going to have no problems at all with this.
I want to do it.
Can you move to the
Camera, please. You're being real.
I'm just standing there.
No, but you're talking during the thing. You're like,
I can't.
It's like this wide and like this long.
I'll do
And you have
it.
to like
Only
climb under the
Nick
boulder.
can fit in that hole. My helmet doesn't fit.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, you just did.
Oh my God.
Guys!
Nick, where's he going? Look.
Whoa!
Guys, what are we doing? Come back over here.
You good, Nick?
My helmet.
You
Okay.
did it. You're good.
That's it. You see how that's wider where your shoulders are? Where your helmet was one of the narrower part of the crack.
Put my legs like an egg.
Nick, do you want me to go first?
Nick, you're kind of not going anything first. You're kind of just.
You're kind of just being Nick.
You're kind of stuck.
Keep your helmet on, dude.
No, you keep your helmet on.
Could have just stayed like open.
It's a puzzle. You got to figure out how to fit in there.
I'm too big.
I might be too
I don't
big
think
for that.
What is the other option?
The other option is this like 20 foot down.
Yeah, I don't
Nice.
That's it.
All right, Cam, go.
Hold on. Wait till he's gone. You don't want to see his feet
How
here.
tight is it down there?
He's gonna be belly crawling for a while. Put your helmet back on so you can
What?
see.
Yeah,
Self-esteem by the officer.
I already took a picture.
I'm not doing that.
I already took a picture of all of you.
Okay, I'd rather take
Of
the
just
top.
you?
All right, there you go.
What?
It's really thick.
It's really what?
Like, there's no room to
Okay, look at the crack where you're going in. Look at the crack. See where it's wider? See where it's wider? That's where you want to go through, not up at the top where it's narrower. You want to go down in the crack. No, that's you're in the tight part. There. Okay, yeah, right there. And then go down, straight down in.
Yo, this is
Flat. There, that's just like that. Just like that. That's it.
This is Satan's asshole.
This is actually.
This is literally straight of Instagram. Like the guy.
So that guy from
Oh,
yeah, that's what Cameron's doing.
Oh,
I'm actually gonna die in there.
I'm not going in
You're
there.
good. Zach, go.
Okay, anybody else want to try this?
Can you stand down there?
I'm not gonna go down this.
No.
No. Heck no. I don't want to do this.
Does anybody else want to try Satan's ass crack?
Yeah, I will.
Zach, you good?
Let me see it. It's really small. It's really big. When you get in there, you have to crawl on your
Damn,
stomach.
how's it down there?
They can't stand. I'm not answering. Dude, they're not gonna fit.
You're not doing it?
No. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Then when we go down the climb, then you can do that. Okay.
Do you want to go?
I will try.
Are we really out here?
Cliff, no.
I'll see you on the other side. Don't get stuck. No, I'm not doing that shit.
All right, Cliff here.
Hold on.
Okay, we'll go down. It's really scary.
Okay. Anybody else gonna try? You may want to take your pack off.
Will's doing it.
Take my backpack off.
Yeah.
Will's gonna get stuck. I'm pretty tall. And Cameron's
Oh my god.
Where's Kevin? Get this to Kevin.
I'm literally.
Kevin.
What? You going in, Will? Kevin.
Yeah.
Take it.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Devil's anus!
Can you bring this? Hey, can you bring this over to Kevin?
Oh.
Oh, I don't know about this.
Go 3, 2. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, this is like.
That's tough as fuck.
Where's the flash? Can you see it? You can see it.
Get it.
There you go.
Alright, get my picture.
You got it.
This is terrible.
I think so.
Not for me. I'm having fun.
We're not going down the devil's butt crack. We're going down Nutty Putty. Yeah.
You gonna try? See where it's a little wider? That's where you want to go through.
Look me out. Put it up there. There's a bin cage.
Who's that?
I'm scared.
Yeah, I don't think that's
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna panic and I'm gonna stop.
Yeah, you should not go down.
Okay, that's fine. That's cool.
My cheeks are not fitting in that hole.
Neither mind. I'll be the first to get out.
When they give out a cave called Satan. You have to like the website.
Cave called Satan's Booty.
Okay, guys, please move away from the hole.
Everybody come this way, guys. Guys, please come this way towards me.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying.
That's in butt crack.
Back away from the
The upside down one. Cave divers.
Cave divers.
This is awesome.
2 by 4. It's 2 by 4 feet.
It's not that.
You gotta slide it like a credit card.
All right, here we go.
They gotta,
Max, I'm not stable,
cave
man.
divers when they see a 2 inch by 4 feet wide hole, and they have a whole family back at home.
Yeah.
That's a loving wife and
Bro, they got a cut
Loving
fit
wife
in
and
that. Baby on the way.
Starving Marvin.
Guys, when we're going,
Alright, guys, please.
when we're going down here, I really need to be able to talk to the person who's climbing.
Yeah.
Okay, so I appreciate if there wasn't a lot of chatter in the background so that we can hear what's going on. Okay? Because I gotta get footholds and stuff like that to do this safely. There's a pretty good drop.
Okay.